Alright, my good people, now welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. I don't come your domot, I don't come your screen with another breaking news, with another legit intel on the things and things where they go on for inside the nation, Nigeria. The koko now be say, one chieftain of the All Progressive Congress, they go by the name Cletus Obum, he now don't stir up controversy. He now don't talk something wey make country people come raise eyebrow in surprise. You know say this man come outside now, they admit say destabilizing the opposition party, maybe the People's Democratic Party, na part of a strategic part of the All Progressive Congress. It's na part of their political arsenal. That is, as the All Progressive Congress will be the ruling party, they put sansan for inside the garri of the People's Democratic Party, na normal thing to them. Don't be small matter like this, so my good people. Now they see this APC chieftain where they go by the name Cletus Obum. There was a time where we say he na the chairman of the Conference of Nigeria Political Parties, wey be CNPP, for inside Cross River State. Now he don come outside, they make this interesting declaration during one interview wey he get with Tori people for inside Tori people their channel. And normally, as he yarn those levels finish, as he make the accusations finish, the People's Democratic Party, they no go fit just relax, they no go fit just fold their hand while somebody dey talk all these kind of things them. So they gats respond. And the steward of the People's Democratic Party, where they go by the name Segun Showomi, himself before he don't blame the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, wey be Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu's appointment of Oga Nyesom Wike as the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory. And Oga Showomi dey yarn say na that appointment wey dem give Nyesom Wike na be the genesis of the internal crisis wey the People's Democratic Party dey face. But however, my good people, the APC chieftain wey be Mr. Cletus Obum, he now come dismiss the claims. He now come the yarns make the PDP comot body from that campaigns. He say normally to dey put sansan for other people their garri, to dey spoil the business of other parties, na part of a standard political strategy. And he say if the People's Democratic Party then come outside come dey yarn all these kind of levels wey dey yarn, so e mean say na the worst political confession to be ever made in history. And if dem come outside come dey yarn say the All Progressive Congress don infiltrate the People's Democratic Party and they dey scatter the party, well, na normal thing, and it's part of their duty to do those kind of levels, because even the People's Democratic Party too, they dey find ways and means to make sure say dem destabilize, dem put sansan for the garri of the All Progressive Congress. No be small matter like this, so my good people. You know say the APC chieftain, he no bad break for there at all. He still proceed further, they justify the practice. He can dey emphasize, he can dey yarn, say spoiling the business of other parties na normal something. It dey remain valid something as long as say person dey avoid violent destructions. As long as the movement no lead to violent something, na good political weapon wey they gats use. But however, my good people, Oga Showomi, wey be the chieftain of the People's Democratic Party, he criticized the decision of our president. He yarn am plenty, say na the decision of our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu to appoint Oga Nyesom Wike, wey be the former PDP governor, as a minister of FCT. Na that one be the key factor in the instability of the People's Democratic Party. That's na the genesis of the palava wey they face for inside the People's Democratic Party. But on the other hand, the chieftain of the All Progressive Congress, wey be Obum, e no make sense as he come outside come dey yarn all this kind level. This in admission now, this in confession, it don't spark debate over the ethnic boundaries of political tactics in Nigeria's democracy. Countrymen now come dey raise concern, they come dey yarn, say these men now of the All Progressive Congress, who know the kind level, who know the kind height where they go travel to make sure say things spoil for another man party, and who know the kind level where they go to make sure say things no work well for we nation Nigeria. Anyhow, this informate be you for body, my good people. Feel free make it drop am inside our comment section. I still get another reports, I still get another legit intel with my table wey I still need to share give the general public. The koko be say, e get one report wey been dey ground before, and this report dey yarn say the Labour Party wey be LP, they agree with Oga President wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu of the All Progressive Congress to deliver him a second term in office if he decide to contest for the 2027 general elections. That to tell you say there's a collaboration between Labour Party and the All Progressive Congress to make sure say now our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu now sit down again as President for 2027 if he decide to contest. Now the Labour Party they don deny that particular report, and they yarn say their party leadership no dey partner with our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu ahead of the 2027 general elections. For inside one statement now wey dem release on Friday, na the National Publicity Secretary of the Labour Party wey be Mr. Obiora Ifo na dey dismiss the claims, and he say that claims, those accused, those reports na baseless something and is very much unfounded. And as a matter of fact, the Labour Party is the most visible opposition party today for inside we nation Nigeria, and their national chairman wey be Barrister Abure, he na the leading voice for inside the opposition camp, and he dey consis ten tly criticize the government of our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. So e no get anyhow wey go come go partner with person wey im dey criticize. Oga Obiora Ifo come dey highlight the efforts of Labour Party to reposition theirself and deepen participatory democracy for inside we nation Nigeria. And he now come dey yarn say the Labour Party they don establish an electoral reform committee to promote credible, fair and transparent electoral processes. Plus the party wey be the Labour Party they don introduce e-membership registration wey dey attract thousands of subscribers. All these their efforts now, all these things and things wey they dey do na to reposition the party for somebody to demarket the rolling All Progressive Congress. Na for somebody to make sure say no be the APC wey go rule for inside 2027. So therefore all these accused now wey dey sama give the Labour Party is unguarded and is callous. E no make sense and is the most ridiculous accuse ever and the most unfortunate. And they challenge the countryman wey dey go by the name Deji Adeyanju and any other person wey dey sama accuse dey give the Labour Party of partnering with the All Progressive Congress. So make dem show face, and as they show face, make dem come with evidence, make dem come with proof and fact say the leadership of the Labour Party or Mr. Abure dey work with our current President Bola Ahmed Tinubu of the All Progressive Congress, and say they dey partner to make sure say the APC abi our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu na go still sit down as president for inside the year 2027 presidential election. But no be lie my good people, e no get anyhow wey the Labour Party go partner with APC. Meanwhile Oga Peter Obi still dey as presidential candidate. This my good people na the information I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give una legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this update and you go like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news they come, I go first get the update and you go get am sharp. And they come your side again with another legit intel for you my good people. Abeg, no go anywhere.